Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nirama Jodina speaking. From now onwards up to 26th September, this presentation will be based on the question asked in Odisha Civil Service Preliminary Examination conducted OPSC. These questions are the foundation level for the Civil Service Examination UPSC and the standard level for the NABARD grade A. Today we are going to the different activities of viceroys and governor generals during the British period. The past Warren Hastings, 5-year settlement of land revenue, Diwani and Faujdari Adalat, Lord Cornwallis Code, John Shore, Battles of Khorda, Lord Wellesley, Subsidiary Alliance, George Belleroe Mutiny, Lord Minto, Treaty of Amritsar, Lord Hardinge, Anglo-Nepal War, Third Maratha War, settled with Pindarij, established a right system with Thomas Monro. Lord Amherst, first Burmese War, capture of Bharatpur, Lord William Bentinck, abolition of sati and other cruel practices, suppression of Turks, Charter Act of 1833, then Treaty of Perpetual Friendship with Ranjit Singh. Lord Metcalfe, New Press Law, Lord Auckland, First Afghan War and death of Ranjit Singh, Lord Ellenborough, annexation of Sindh, Lord Hardinge, First Anglo-Sikh War. Then Lord Dalhousie, the Second Anglo-Sikh War, railway lines from Bombay to Thane, telegraph, and Ganges Canal declared open, Widow Remarriage Act. Lord Canning established 3 universities at Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. Then come the Viceroy, the first Viceroy of British India. Transfer control from East India Company to Crown, Lord Elgin Wahhabi movement, Lord John Lawrence, setting up the High Court at Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. Lord Mayo, opening of Rajkot College and Katiyat Education, Rajkot College and Education College at Ajmer, establishing standard statistical survey of India. Lord Norfolk, Kuka visit of Prince of Wales, Kuka movement in Punjab. Lord Lytton, Royal Titles Act 1876, Vernacular Press Act, Arms Act, and Second Afghan War. Lord Ripon, First Factory Act, Repeal of Vernacular Press Act, Government Resolution on Local Self-Government, Education Commission headed by Hunter, Ilbert controversy. Then Lord Dufferin, Indian Council Act, Third Burmese War, setting up Durand Commission. Lord Elgin, 2 British officials assassinated by the Chapekar brothers, Lord Curzon, Police Commission under Andrews Fraser, University Commission, and Partition of Bengal. Lord Minto, population of anti-partition establishment of and Swadeshi movement split in Congress in the annual session. Surat established a Muslim League. Lord Hardinge, creation of Bengal presidency 1911 and transfer of capital from Delhi, Calcutta to Delhi. Lord Chelmsford, in the Lucknow Pact, formation of and foundation of Sabarmati Ashram, Montagu Chelmsford Reform, Rawat Act, Jallianwala Incident. Lord Reading, Chori Chora Incident, Mopala Rebellion, Kakori train robbery. Lord Irwin, visit of Simon Commission, all parties meeting held at Lucknow. The report of all party meeting submitted by Nehru report. Lahore Session of Congress demanded Purna Swarajya. Boycott of first round of table conference. The Lord Wellington, second round of conference, announcement of communal award. Lord Linlithgow, first general election, resignation of Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose elected the first president, Haripura session 1938. August offer. Lord Wavell, the Simla conference, Rajgopal formula, failure of Gandhiji Natak, and Lord maintained the final India Independence Act. Thank you. If you are interested, you can subscribe. Thank you.